nervous. So what do you think it is?
A boy.
I think it's a girl. Are you gonna do it together? You gonna open it?
You ready?
I'm so nervous. Curious. It's a girl. It's a girl. Yeah, oh my god, I'm so excited.
Another little girl.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Another little
Oh my
kid.
gosh, I really did not know at all.
Now we don't have to name our boy Sutton.
Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. My senses of virtue.
You can barely see it.
No. I kind of thought at the ultrasound that when she was like not really worrying about showing us anything, that it was because girls are harder to see, you know, like you wouldn't be able to just see something, you know, it's like you have to look for it. But I remember they said those lines last time, but I was like when we were doing the ultrasound, I couldn't see like anything, but the baby had the like legs crossed like this, and I was like, why is she showing us right there? Like, what if the baby moves its legs? And so I was like, well, maybe it's a girl because the baby's legs like are in front, and she probably would say like if they moved it that we wouldn't be able to tell or see anything.
Yeah.
But I didn't know. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my brain turned into. Oh my gosh. I can't believe she just put one in there. I thought there was gonna be a couple. Oh my gosh. We're having a girl.
Pretty cool, huh?
Oh my gosh,
Why are you
it doesn't
crying?
even seem real, but I'm so happy.
Awesome. Now we get to have a good vacation.